Good morning to all and all. I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. My topic, Programming in C++. We discuss file handling. File handling in C++ is a mechanism to store the output of program in a file and help perform various operations on it. File helps store this data permanently on a storage device. The term data is commonly referred to as known facts or informations. File is a collection of related data stored in particular area on the disk. The data stored in disk using the concept of file. What are the benefits of file handling in C++? The major advantage of this method of file open, more than one files can be opened at a time in a program. The major advantage of binary files is that they require less memory space for storage of data. Moreover, these files can be used to read or write structured data such as structure, class, object, etc. Why we using file handling? Permanent storage of data, all the message or value printed with the help of any output statement like printf, putchar or never available for further use. If there is a large amount of data generated as output by a program, storing that output in file will help in easy handling, analyzing of output, as user can see the whole output at any time even after complete execution of program. File handling uses. File handling is the storage of data in a file using a program in C program language. The program stored result and other data of the program to a file using file handling in C. What are the various types of files in C++? C++ object-oriented concept, C++ class and object, C++ inheritance, C++ overloading, C++ polymorphism, we using the abstraction encapsulation interface. File handling and its types. File handling refers to the method of storing data. View the output or input will have been generated while running a program in a data file, that is binary file or a text file for analysis and a reference for the program. Programming language, we observe the process execution time for small or large files while using the largest execution time for file handling. File stream class. File buffer, stream buffer, file stream base, file input file stream. File buffer. It is a purpose is to set the file buffer to read and write. Contain open constant used in the open of file stream classes. Also contain close open method. File stream base provide operation common to file system, serves as a base for file stream. Input file stream and output file stream. Classes contains open and close functions. Input file streams provide input operations, contain open method with default input mode. Inherit the functions get method, getLine method, read method, seek method and telling functions from input stream. Output file stream provides output operations, contain open method with a default output mode. Inherit puts, seek, delete and write functions from output stream. File stream provides support for simultaneously input and output operations, contain open method with a default input mode. Inherit all the functions from input stream and output stream classes through input-output stream. Opening file using open method. File open method can be used to open a multiple files that use the same stream object. File stream classes stream object dot open file name. Open and close a file. Example, output file stream. Create a stream. Output file that open data, connecting the stream to data. Out file that close, disconnect stream from data. Out file dot open data to connect stream data. Out file that close, the process will be closed. Mode of file opening. Input output stream out equal to open file for write only. Input output stream in open file for read only. Input output stream append to end of the file. Input output stream it take us to the end of the file when it is opened. Both input output stream and input output stream it take us to the end of the file. When it is opened, the difference between the two parameters is that is the input output stream and allow us to add data to the end of the file only. While input output stream mode permits us to add data or to modify the existing data anywhere in the file. The mode can be combined two more parameters using bitwise or operator symbol. File stream concept, file.open, data.text, input output file stream, input output stream, out symbol, operator symbol, input output in. File pointer, each file have two associated points known as a file pointer. One of them is called the input pointer or getting the pointer and the other is called output pointer, put pointer. The input pointer is used for reading the content of the given file location and output pointer is used for writing to the given file location. Functions for manipulations of file pointer. When we want to move the file pointer to desired position, then use this function for managing the point. Seeking, moving get pointer input to a specific location. Seek p, move put pointer output to a specific location. Tell z, give the current position of get pointer. Tell p, give the current position of put pointer. File out seek, go to start. File out seek, input or output stream, current state, current position, go to the end file, move to m+1 byte in a file, go forward 5 m bytes from the current position, go back by m bytes from the current position, file out or seek g minus m, input output stream and go back by m bytes from the end. Put and get functions. Put method and get method functions. The put functions writing a single character to associate the string. Similarly, the function get read a single character from the associated string. Read method and write method functions. File.read character size of process. File.write character size of process. These functions take two arguments. The first is the address of the variable b and the second is the length of the variable in the bytes. The address of the variable must be cast to type asterisk that is pointed to character the type. Programming of the file handling. We declaring a header file. After that, using the class outside the class structure. We declaring the character integer roll number. We using the get method and put method. Void put data and get data. After the student's put data, we entering a name, we get the name, we entering a roll number after we getting the input, file.open, using this process, file.write, we writing the characters, the size of the student, file.close, the process will be closed, it gets ch, getting data. Student.get data, into temp, cout, enter the roll number, into temp, file stream file.open, we seeking the file process, while file.read the character size of the students, temp, roll number, count, student name and roll number, get ch. Finally, we got the using the main method, clear screen, student, put data and we get the output. Thank you.